why we declare E3 as our winner? Because the questions which we posed them, they were able to answer them correctly. Not only this, but the questions which were posed to
Respected sir, my dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum to all of you. It's me, Zainab Khurshid, alone with my co-host, Sadia Javed. And today we are celebrated Science Day. National Science Day is celebrated in India on 28th of February each year to mark the discovery of the Raman effect by Indian scientist Sir C.V. Raman. Of this day, we aware people about importance of science. Zubairul Islam is coming on stage.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Zubairul Islam. I am from QSC. As you all know, today we are celebrating National Science Day. So I will tell you about nutrition and names of water-soluble vitamins. Let's start. Nutrition is a process in which an organism takes food inside his body and gets energy from it. Nutrition is of two types: autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition is that type of nutrition in which organism prepare its own food. It's called autotrophic nutrition. For example, trees, plants. Heterotrophic nutrition is that type of nutrition in which organism is dependent on other living thing. It's called heterotrophic nutrition. For example, human beings, animals. In heterotrophic mode of nutrition, we see different types of nutrition. For example, we have the organism that eat only grass, plant and plant products. It's called herbivores. For example, cow, goat, sheep, etc. And now that organisms that eat only flesh of other animals is called carnivores. For example, lion, leopard, tiger, etc. And there is another type of nutrition which eat both flesh of other animals and plant products, plant and grass. It's called omnivores. For example, crow, dog, human beings, etc. And all organisms you see, they all eat something. Why they eat? They eat for energy. Someone eat grass, he gets energy from it. Someone eat flesh of other animals, he gets energy from it. Someone eats both flesh of other animals and grass, he gets energy from it. Why is there energy? Because inside the food there is vitamin and nutrients. We should eat those things which has a high level in nutrients. Now I will tell you some names of water-soluble vitamins. Let's start. First, vitamin C, scientific name ascorbic acid. Second, vitamin B1, scientific name thiamine. Third, vitamin B2, scientific name riboflavin. Fourth, vitamin B3, scientific name niacin. Fifth, vitamin B5, scientific name pantothenic acid. Sixth, vitamin B6, scientific name pyridoxine. Seventh, vitamin B7, scientific name biotin. Eighth, vitamin B9, scientific name folic acid. This all was about nutrition and names of water-soluble vitamins. I hope you have understood my topic. Thanks. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Zubairul Islam. Now I would like to invite Sadia Khan from batch E2. Please come on, guys.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Sadia Snowbird from QSC and today's my topic is about solvent, solute and solution. Solvent वो चीज़ है जिसमें हम solute को डिज़ोल्व कर सकते हैं और solute वो चीज़ है जो हम solvent में डालते हैं और जो इन दोनों का मिक्सचर बनता है उसे हम solution कहते हैं. मैं आज आपको ये प्रैक्टिकल करके दिखाऊंगी. वाटर जो है ये हमारा सॉल्वेंट है और जो नमक है ये हमारा सल्यूट है. तो इसमें हम नमक डालेंगे। अब हमें इसको मिक्स करना है। क्या आपको नमक दिख रहा है? तो ये इसमें डिसॉल्व हो गया और ये सॉल्यूशन बन गया। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Sadia. This time, Tuhur is coming on stage.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Tahur from QSE. As you all know, today we are celebrating Science Day. So today on Science Day, I will tell you about some scientific formulas. Firstly, I will tell you about the formula of oxygen. The formula of oxygen is O2. Secondly, I will tell you about the formula of water. The formula of water is H2O. Next, I will tell you the formula of hydrochloric acid. The formula of hydrochloric acid is HCl. Next, I will tell you the formula of carbon dioxide. The formula of carbon dioxide is CO2. Now I will tell you the formula of carbon monoxide. The formula of carbon monoxide is CO. Now I will tell you the formula of sulfuric acid. The formula of sulfuric acid is H2SO4. Next I will tell you the formula of salt. The formula of salt is NaCl. Na means sodium and Cl means chloride. These were some scientific formulas. I hope you understood. Thank you.
Today we are going to celebrate National Science Day. It's the date of 28th Feb. Each year we celebrate on this particular date, and it starts from the C.V. Raman's effect, which is the inelastic scattering of proton. So we have here different teams. We have already segregated them into 5 particular groups: Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, Group 4, and Group 5. So we start our, we have 3 rounds for all the teams, and we start our first round with the first team, which is titled as E1. So our first question for E1 is, what is the food of plant? Plant की ग़िज़ा क्या है? ये सवाल सिर्फ टीम E1 के लिए है.
Glucose.
Please loudly.
Glucose.
Glucose. Right answer. So I want to add some other information in this particular answer. The chemical formula of glucose is C6H12O6. So the next question goes to E2. What is electricity? Electricity क्या होता है?
Flow of charges.
Flow of electric charge. Right answer. Our third question goes to E3. So the question is, what are amphibians? Amphibians क्या होते हैं? कौन से animals होते हैं? आप इस सवाल का जवाब दें. Again, I am repeating the question. What are amphibians? Amphibians क्या होते हैं? E3 is running out of time. You have time, but try fast.
जो ज़मीन पर भी रहते हो पानी में भी.
Right answer. So amphibians are those animals which live both on earth and water. So the next question goes to E4, and the question is, Name any 5 insects. 5 कीड़े मकोड़ों के नाम बोलें. Insects.
Honeybee, housefly, spider, cockroach, and grasshopper.
Right answer. Now we have E5. So the question for E5, what is the formula of glucose?
C6H12O6.
Right answer. So our first round is completed. Now first bench, which is E1. So the second question for you is, what is the scientific name of vitamin B9? Scientific name बताइए विटामिन B9 का. E1 के लिए सिर्फ ये क्वेश्चन है. Sorry?
Biotin.
We are not getting your point. Please say loudly. Speak loudly and clearly.
Biotin.
No, wrong answer. The right answer is folic acid. The next question is for E2. Rickets is a disease which is caused by the deficiency of which vitamin? कौन सा विटामिन ऐसा है जो रिकेट्स की डिजीज का काज बनता है? रिकेट्स एक बीमारी है जो कि किसी विटामिन की डिफिशियंसी की वजह से होती है. आपको उस विटामिन का नाम बोलना है जिसकी वजह से रिकेट्स की बीमारी होती है. Half of the time is over. You are left with 30 seconds.
Vitamin B.
Sorry?
Vitamin B.
Vitamin B. No, not on. Wrong answer. The question, this particular question goes to E3. Rickets is a disease which is caused by the vitamin. You have to name the vitamin.
Vitamin A.
Wrong answer. Now this question goes to E1.
Vitamin D.
Vitamin D. Right answer. Now we have the next series. Which sense is called as photoreceptor? कौन सा सेंस ऑर्गन ऐसा है जिसको हम photoreceptor? Eye. Right answer. Question goes to E4. The question is, what do you mean by the word omnivore? Omnivore word का मतलब क्या होता है?
जो सब्जियां और गोश्त खाते हैं.
राइट आंसर. यानी ऐसे एनिमल जो सब्जी भी यानी घास भी खाते हैं और गोश्त भी खाते हैं. Those animals which eat both plants and animals as food. So the next question goes to E5. Formula of carbon dioxide. What is the formula of carbon dioxide? Carbon dioxide का formula बताइए.
CO2.
Right answer. We have completed our 2 rounds. Now we are left with only 1 round, and this is the final round. So we again will start with the E1. First question for E1 is, what are the other names for food pipe and wind pipe?
Asparagus.
दोनों के लिए बताएं। दो और नाम जो दिए गए हैं फूड पाइप को और जो है विंड पाइप को, जो दूसरे नाम दो दिए गए हैं, दोनों के दोनों नाम आप बताइए। फूड पाइप को क्या बोलते हैं साइंटिफिक नेम, और जो है विंड पाइप को साइंटिफिक नेम क्या है? Half of the time is over. You are left with 30 seconds.
Esophagus.
Esophagus. One is right. Please tell the other name. Windpipe is called. Half of the answer you have given. Now other half is remaining. आधा जवाब आपका सही है, बाकी का जवाब दीजिए। विंड पाइप को क्या कहा जाता है? You are left with 5 seconds. Time is over. The other name for windpipe is trachea. Esophagus for food pipe and trachea for windpipe. Now the second question goes to E2. Who was the first Indian scientist who received the Nobel Prize in 1930? साइंटिस्ट कौन सा ऐसा साइंटिस्ट था, लेकिन इंडियन पहला साइंटिस्ट जिसने नोबेल प्राइज 1930 में जो है जिसको मिला है। डेट आपको यहीं से प्रोवाइड हो रही है, आपको सिर्फ नाम बताना है। फर्स्ट इंडियन साइंटिस्ट who received Nobel Prize in 1930. Half of the time is over. You are left with 30 seconds. You are left with 5 seconds. Time is over. Now this particular question goes to E3.
C.V. Raman.
Dr. C.V. Raman. Right answer. Our next question goes to same bench E3. Name the electricity generated from water.
Hydroelectricity.
Hydroelectricity. Right answer. Next question goes to E4. Minute pores in the leaf are called. जो लीफ होता है ना, पत्ता किसी दरख्त का, उसमें छोटे छोटे छेद होते हैं, उन छेद को क्या बोलते हैं हम साइंटिफिकली? जो पोर्स होते हैं लीफ के अंदर। ये क्वेश्चन सिर्फ E4 के लिए है। स्टोमेटा। राइट आंसर। The last question of the final round goes to E5. Please listen to the question. What is the olfactory sense organ in our body? Olfactory sense organ बताना है हमारी बॉडी में कौन सा है? Nose. Right answer. So our winner is E3. Why we declare E3 as our winner? Because the questions which we posed them, they were able to answer them correctly. Not only this, but the questions which were posed to E1, the questions which were posed to E1 and E2, they were not able to answer. The answers were given by E3. So they are getting 8 points. And all other groups, like the rest of the groups like E4 and E5, they are getting 6, both are getting 6 points. And E1 and E2, they are getting 2 and 3 points. So our winner is E3. Now, we would like to conclude this National Science Day, as we have done so many activities on this particular day. We are making people aware of science, as we are going to face the problems in our daily life.